Hello everyone! In this part of our training series, we will learn how to use the Shape Builder tool. In our previous lesson, we covered how to combine, cut, and perform other operations on shapes using the Pathfinder tool. In this lesson, we'll be showing you how the Shape Builder tool works. The Shape Builder tool is a more practical method compared to the Pathfinder, and it's a simple tool that can be used on its own. We'll learn how to work onto different shapes. First, select the two shapes. Press Shift+M on your keyboard or choose the Shape Builder tool from the top menu. You'll notice a plus sign below the tool indicating that it's in the mode to combine shapes. If you hold down the Alt key, you'll switch to the mode for subtracting shapes. Our first operation is combining shapes. Select the shapes you want to combine and use the tool to drag a line across them, effectively merging them together. The second feature is subtracting the front shape. In this operation, by holding the Alt key, you can subtract the unwanted parts of the selected objects. For example, you can keep the right side and remove the rest. Similarly, you can also remove the center parts. Using the Shape Builder tool, you can also divide an object into segments. Select all the shapes and break them into separate parts as needed. Now we'll apply what we've learned to create a gear. I'll be using rectangles to draw the gear. First, I draw a rectangle. Then, I select the rectangle and duplicate it. Using Ctrl+Shift+V, I paste it in the same place. Next, I rotate the duplicated rectangle by 90 degrees and position it correctly. I select both rectangles, duplicate them again, and paste them in the same spot using Ctrl+Shift+V. Then, I rotate all the rectangles by 45 degrees. To finish off the gear, we'll add circles. Press L to select the ellipse tool. Create a circle from the center. Then, draw another larger ellipse from the center. Finally, draw one last circle to complete the base shape. Next, switch to the Shape Builder tool, and you can delete any parts you no longer need. Select all the details and start by removing the edges. Hold the Alt key to delete the unwanted segments one by one until your gear is complete. Now, let's remove the middle section to create a hollow circle. Hold the Alt key, carefully select the center, and delete it. Using the same method, remove any other unnecessary parts, and you'll be left with a hollow circle. Finally, we start merging the remaining parts together. Release the Alt key and proceed with combining the shapes. You can also round the corners slightly to make the design look more refined and professional. As you can see, using the Shape Builder tool allows you to easily combine, cut, and modify shapes. With regular practice, you will master this technique. In our next lesson, we'll explore more advanced shape creation using both the Shape Builder and Pathfinder tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.